Good day and welcome. Today we're investigating a growing issue that affects millions of lives across the Indo-Pacific: extreme rainfall. Recent studies reveal dramatic changes in weather patterns, causing floods and impacting entire communities. But what does this look like on the ground? To get a personal perspective from one of the most affected countries, Indonesia, our team is on the ground in Melbourne talking to Indonesian communities who have seen these changes firsthand.
To understand the real-world impact of extreme rainfall, we're going to ask Indonesian community here in Melbourne about their first-hand experiences about these events happen in their country.
Not aware of this more frequent or severe rainfall.
I don't think so, but I felt recently the frequency of especially the severe or extreme rainfall is more frequent, but I don't know whether is it true or is it just a feeling, but I felt yeah.
I think it was one of a national disaster in Indonesia.
Yes, it flooded my house and the other houses in the neighborhood once, at least that I'm aware of.
I had an experience and it was really bad. The whole city was flooded by a massive of water.
Probably I can relate that to the climate change, even though it maybe need further study about that.
No, I don't think so, or probably I'm not aware of it. I'm not really knowledgeable about what climate change is and to what extent the climate is changing and how it affects the rainfalls.
I don't know about it, but somehow the weather, it seems, changed.
Thanks, team. What people are experiencing isn't just a coincidence. The Indo-Pacific region is being affected by phenomena like El Nino and La Nina, which dramatically impact rainfall and storm activity. Data shows that floods and extreme rain events are increasing, with over 25 million residents in the Pacific experiencing severe weather disasters just last year. But to understand the long-term trend and the direct link in our changing climate, we need to take a deeper look into the science. We move to Alex for further expert advice.
What we feel is unusual weather is actually a symptom of a measurable trend. Scientific research shows a clear connection. Due to climate change, extreme rainfall is becoming more frequent and more intense, especially in coastal and island nations throughout the Indo-Pacific. In 2021, there were almost 50 precipitation-related disasters in Indo-Pacific countries, compared to the 1980s, which in its worst year had just 22 disasters. Climate models predict more unpredictable weather, larger and more frequent floods, and significant challenges for food security, infrastructure, and our daily lives. Using an average of different climate change scenarios, the average rainfall for the Indo-Pacific region could rise by almost 100 millimeters by 2100, continuing the alarming rise of precipitation disasters. This isn't just a distant future forecast. It's the alarming future of the reality that we face right now.
The evidence is clear, so what can be done? The key is adaptation, preparing communities with stronger buildings, early warning systems, and flexible strategies. The message is simple: extreme rainfall is a present-day reality for the Indo-Pacific. Embracing adaptation backed by science is how we protect our communities. Thank you for watching.